SpongeBob, oh, wait a minute, SpongeBob. Huh? That wasn't like that before. What?
No, I don't want to go back there.
Okay, something looks
No.
really awfully familiar.
Hey Patrick, SpongeBob, you want fun? I'm gonna play some
Patrick will have to go back.
Nope.
Even so soon, what about SpongeBob? There is no way more I didn't see you, I saw you.
Gary, what are you doing here?
I smell fear.
Gary, we need to get out of here. I don't know what's going on. We gotta go.
I found you.
Quick, Gary, I think that's our way to get out of here. Let's go.
I don't think so. Now.
Take that, you big-nosed freak.
Hey guys, you two look like you just saw a ghost.
Ghost? What?
I'm just messing with you guys.
Oh, come on! Knife! The challenge is to not be scared.
Oh, don't trust me. Okay, I'll leave you alone with the person that was just so trustworthy last season. Well, I guess it's just you and me now, Dora. What the heck? Who's doing this? That doesn't really narrow it down.
I want
Hi, SpongeBob. It's been a while. Good to see you're still... Loser! Come on, little loser. Let's go a couple of rounds. You can't kill me. You can't kill me. I'm more powerful than you.
Hebat.
Health lagi nggak bisa nih health. Health sama ini.
Perasaan gua kayak enak kabur deh.
Perasaan gua nggak enak nih, deg-degan buruan deh. Buruan itu buruan ya buruan. Buka pintu.